This bird looks like a dinosaur. This one smells like a cow. And this one can steal food midair. These are the weirdest birds on the planet. Cock of the rock. One of the most flamboyant birds of all. The male cock of the rock is a cloud forest dandy, yet surprisingly shy and elusive most of the time. Except, that is, at its communal dancing ground, or lek. Males gather here at first light, then jump, bow, wing flutter, gurgle, and moan in an effort to outdo each other and impress females. Such an extravagant plumage and breeding system, males play no part in nesting or raising young, is only possible because of the riches of South America's tropical forests. With year-round supplies of fruit. Frigatebird. You can't deny the male. Frigatebird is definitely a weird-looking bird, with its vibrant red gular pouch, and it's this strange neck that attracts the girls. And in this case, size is everything, as during the breeding season, it inflates to be even bigger and more impressive to attract females. The frigatebird is also known as the man-o'-war bird, as it can steal food from other birds in flight and live on the coasts and islands in tropical and subtropical waters. Hoatzin. There's no denying that the Hoatzin is a little strange-looking, with its spiky hairdo, but that's not where the weirdness stops, for its smell is pretty odd too. This so-called stink bird reeks of fresh cow manure or sweet-smelling hay because of the huge quantity of foliage it needs to eat. The Hoatzin's gullet and crop, a food storage pouch near the throat, serve as fermentation chambers. Inside are specialist bacteria that begin the process of breaking down the plant's tissue. Crested owl. The crested owl is one of a kind, the sole member of its genus, Lophostrix, and definitely worthy of a place on our weirdest birds list. The species is widespread and fairly common across large swathes of Central and South America, yet its basic biology remains largely mysterious. Then Twittu and pairs are often seen snuggling up to roost together, but its nest has not yet been described, and it's not even clear what prey animals it targets. Whatever those turn out to be, let's just hope the owl doesn't eat them after midnight. King Vulture. Surely either the head or the body of the gaudy King Vulture really belongs to another bird? Its vibrant head and neck give way to a white body and black wings, and you have to wonder where the color has gone as it feels like nothing matches. It also owes its slightly strange look to a weird fleshy wattle on the side of its bill, called a caruncle. This large scavenger bird lives between southern Mexico and northern Argentina and is the only surviving member of the Sarcoramphus genus. Secretary bird. These raptors of sub-Saharan Africa's savannas, grasslands, and shrublands stand at nearly 4 feet tall, and standing is often how you'll find them, because they primarily move around on foot. They fly only when necessary, such as to reach their nest in the trees and for courtship displays. The secretary bird is distinguished by its long legs and a dramatic black crest of feathers on the back of its head. Its body is covered in whitish-gray feathers, with 2 long, black-tipped tail feathers. Its bare face is usually yellow, orange, or red. Kakapo. Although it may look like an owl, the kakapo is actually a parrot, a very heavy, big parrot, with males weighing up to 4 kilograms, about 8.8 pounds, and measuring around 60 centimeters, 24 inches, in length. The flightless kakapo, endemic to New Zealand, has a distinctive appearance with moss-green plumage that helps them blend into the countryside. Southern Cassowary. Weird birds don't get much weirder than the Southern Cassowary. They are prehistoric-looking birds with deep blue heads and necks, 2 bright red wattles, flaps of skin, a casque, and dense, long black feathers. Reaching up to 6 feet tall, Southern Cassowaries are the 3rd tallest birds on Earth. They are found in northeastern Australia and South Papua New Guinea and Indonesia, and their favorite habitat is dense tropical rainforest.